Hello everyone, welcome to VMAX. Today I would like to introduce you the iPhone 12 screen protectors and the phone case. We have a very beautiful phone package for the phone case and screen protector which can pack together. So you can sell to your customer in one pack for all the accessories they need for the new iPhone 12. This is the back side of the package. We have description for the screen protectors and also the phone case. And on the front side, you can see there's a picture of the glass and the phone case. Inside, we can open the envelope, and then you can see the glass protector, the phone case, and the cleaning kit. So when the customer receives the accessories, they can install them by themselves. Here, this is the hard phone case. It's hard. It's TPU material plus the PC material on the back. So here is the details. There's a full airbag on the edges, so it can prevent the phone drop and not anti-shock, has anti-shock function. And the phone case is a little bit higher than the display, so when the phone drops down, it will not hit the display. So it's easy to access the key buttons, and this is the volume keys button. It's very easy to press on. So here is our product, and welcome your inquiry. Bye-bye.